Welcome to Model Horse Tack School. My name is Carrie, and today we will be unboxing Madonna. This is the final Stablemate release for Collector Club 2025. And there she is. It's the Arab mold. She looks very pretty. I love these little boxes. It's just so cute. Come on, out. Wow, she's kind of chalky looking, huh? Oh, this is nice. This is one of the older models, the ones that I grew up with. This was the Arabian mare. What a really interesting color. Masking made as a miss right there. It's not too bad. It's just not crisp right there by the ear. Her seams are clean. That used to be a problem, is that the seams would not be clean or they would be off kilter, and they've gotten the seams down. Don't know if they use a different mold or what. Wow, she is nice. Look at that. She's different plastic. I forgot to test my plastics to see on these Stablemates if it's that super tinny stuff or... Oh, look at that. Factory condition, and she's got a little white spot on her hoof. Huh. Well, obviously just a shelf piece for me. I don't show, so I'm happy to have her. This so this is like chestnut going gray, and then these are the spots that didn't go gray, and that's how you get your flea bites and your bloody shoulder spots. It's at the graying process. These areas are just never, they'll always be chestnut, and then the white for the rest of the body. That's the mold. Her leg's a little bit crooked here. I'm not sure what plastic this is, so I don't know if I can fix that with a hairdryer or not. So, well, she is pretty. Definitely a unique coloring. And she's not wobbly. So, yeah, that's Madonna. She's kind of nice, isn't she? Well, thank you for spending time with me today. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about the channel, and have yourself a really good day.